working on building a new bed frame out of this extruded aluminum so I can have a racing setup. That's my projector screen, but he's got some little sharp edges here, so I was gonna 3D print a little cap. I got more pieces coming because right now this is just retrofit to my bed frame, but I'm building a full bed frame out of this. So I figured I'd bring you along with 3D printing this because it's fairly simple, but it involves all the steps of 3D printing. So scrap paper, pen, because you're gonna need to write down measurements unless you got a calculator brain and can just remember everything. You need calipers so you can actually measure stuff, unless you're doing things with known measurements. Like this is a 40 extruded aluminum, so it's 40 millimeters by 40 millimeters. Sounds kind of easy. We'll just kind of eyeball the round over, kind of match it in Fusion. So we got a 40 by 40 square. Bam. Let's get in here. Chair, Shazam. And Fusion. Made a little test cube earlier. We'll make a new design. Right click, new component. We have our new component. Create a sketch. And we're going to draw our rectangle, center point rectangle. We're going to do 40.1. So we just have the littlest bit of clearance there. And 40.1. Bam. We can finish that. Extrude it. Let's see, we'll go. I guess we'll make it 2 millimeters thick. I didn't think about that. Alright, so we have to do go back, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, get back to our drawing here. We'll do an offset because we need a wall. This is our inside diameter, and then we need a wall. And we'll do 2 millimeters. Let's do 1.5. Yeah. We got our thing. So now we'll do this. 1.5. Bam. We'll do a drawing again. Come in 1.5. Finish that. Extrude just the lip here. I'm going to go down just a little way so it doesn't slip off. Let's see, what does 10 millimeters look like? Sometimes it's nice to have a reference. $10 millimeters should be fine. Do that, and then we can do some filleting to make this all smooth. Grab all the corners that we want. You hold Control to grab multiple spots here. Like I said, we'll kind of have to eyeball what this is going to be. I'm guessing it's like 6. How come this doesn't work? What is going on here? Hello? My middle mouse button is broken. Usually clicking in on the middle mouse button lets you drag the window here. There we go. Middle mouse button decided to work. Okay. Let's see what 5 looks like. Maybe even 4. Definitely not 6. Let's go with 4. 3.5, 4, 3. Let's go look at our extruded aluminum again. Sure, there's some sort of math you can do to figure out what that actually is, but I think it's slightly more than 3, not much more than 4. Let's just leave it there. We'll leave it at 4. Bam. So we got that all done. Oh, we can fillet the top edge too here. Make that a little nicer. Perfect. We got our little cap here. If you wanted to, you could put like, you write something on here. Stuff like that. But let's just call this one here. Boom. We'll export. As a bed post cap 4040. Exporting. Go into Cura. Grab our file here. Drag it into Cura. Boom. Slice it. 48 minutes. That's about right. Let's see, is there actually any infill? No. Okay. Make sure a layer of infill didn't sneak in there. Bam. I think all I have changed is I have one additional wall. And then I also reduce the skirt distance, just so it's ever so slightly quicker. Hello, Julie Bean. What? You want to be in a video? What's up? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, you're such a slobber monster. You got water all in your chin, man. All right. Oh, we gotta get the SD card out of the printer. Shazam. Put this into the card reader. Shazam. And we'll see if it pops up first try. Yep, it did. So we'll save that. It is saved. And then we can eject. Grab that bad boy. Back in the printer we go. Right, we gotta plug in the printer. Bam. That's mildly concerning. Interesting. I'm not sure why my filament dryer fan didn't turn on right away, but it's on now, so we're all good. Let's see here. She got set up here, bam. I am gonna do just a little bit of glue so I don't have to worry about this thing popping up. Bam. Get this This thing preheating, baby. I dropped everything, but here it is. Bam. Bam. Perfecto. And we'll just print one for the other side. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.